Hello guys. So right here in Cebu City, I'm here in Cebu City guys, and I just uploaded this, but this was my visit last year, and I was able to visit this 500 years old church located in Bolhuon, Cebu City in South area in Cebu province. And this is already 500 years old. It was built in 1521. And so I just want to let you see a little bit of the view around it. Look at that. And that beautiful mountain scenery right there at the corner. It amazes me. It was made of a limestone. And it was really very pretty, guys. So, if you happen to visit the Philippines, you can come over here in this church. This is a very historical church, and this is very famous also in the Philippines. In the province of, once again, Bolhuon, Cebu province. So I would like also to let you see, this is the old house. I took a video of this old house. And of course, thank you.